In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shein Points. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your points into instant savings at checkout, whether you're on the Shein app or the website. Start by opening Shein. If you haven't already, log into your account so the system can recognize your points balance. Without being logged in, the points option won't appear at checkout. Once you're in, browse as you normally would and add the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to confirm sizes, colors, and quantities so you're set before moving forward. It's always helpful to check your points balance on your profile beforehand, but you don't need to do anything special. Just make sure you know roughly how many points you have available. When you're ready, go to your cart to review what you've added. This is a good time to remove duplicates and make sure everything you plan to buy is in one place. Then tap or click Checkout to move to the order summary screen. On the checkout page, scroll until you find the section labeled Points. It might be near coupons or payment options, depending on your region and the version of the app or site you're using. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling, it's there. If it still doesn't appear, double check that you're logged in and that you have a non-zero points balance. Now turn on or select Use Points. You'll usually see a toggle or checkbox to activate them. Once it's on, choose how many points you want to apply. Some versions give you a slider, others let you type in a number. You can use all your available points or just part of them. It's totally up to you. Keep in mind that you can't use more points than you have, and in some regions there may be a limit to how many points can be applied per order. As soon as you select the amount, the discount will apply automatically. Watch your order total update in real time. Points typically reduce the merchandise subtotal. Taxes, shipping, or certain fees may not be covered by points depending on local rules and ongoing promotions. If everything looks good, finish payment and place your order. Your points will be deducted according to what you used. If your order changes later, such as with a cancellation or return, points are usually adjusted based on the store's policy. That's it. Open Shein, log in, add your items, go to checkout, enable Use Points, choose how many to apply, and complete your purchase. Enjoy the savings and happy shopping!